Welcome to SM AutoGarage Auto Review, the channel where future mobility meets luxury, performance, and innovation, and today we bring you an exclusive deep dive into one of the most exciting concepts on wheels, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. This extraordinary machine redefines what a motorhome can be by blending Ferrari's legendary racing DNA with ultra-luxury travel comfort, creating a rolling masterpiece designed for those who refuse to compromise between speed, style, and sophistication. From the very first glance, the exterior design makes a powerful statement with sharp aerodynamic lines, sculpted body panels, and a bold stance inspired by Ferrari supercars, while premium carbon fiber elements and lightweight aluminum construction ensure both strength and performance. The signature Ferrari red paint, combined with aggressive LED lighting and iconic badging, gives this motorhome an unmistakable presence on the road, turning heads wherever it travels. Under the hood, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is powered by a high-performance hybrid V8 system engineered to deliver exceptional torque and smooth acceleration even with a fully equipped luxury cabin. Advanced electric assistance improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions, making long-distance touring more sustainable without sacrificing power. The intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction on highways, mountain roads, and challenging terrains, while adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts ride height and stiffness for optimal comfort and handling. Precision steering and advanced braking systems inspired by Ferrari's motorsport technology provide confidence and control rarely seen in motorhomes. Step inside, and the cabin instantly feels like a luxury Grand Tour transformed into a mobile penthouse. The interior is crafted with hand-stitched Italian leather, Alcantara accents, and real carbon fiber trims, all carefully selected to reflect Ferrari's premium heritage. The spacious lounge area features configurable seating with massage, heating, and ventilation functions, allowing passengers to relax in absolute comfort during long journeys. Panoramic smart glass windows flood the interior with natural light while offering adjustable tint for privacy and temperature control. Ambient LED lighting throughout the cabin can be customized to match your mood, creating a refined and calming atmosphere day or night. The kitchen area is fully equipped with high-end appliances, including an induction cooktop, built-in espresso machine, smart refrigerator, microwave oven, and ample storage, all designed to deliver a 5-star dining experience on the road. Smart sensors optimize energy usage, while premium surfaces make cleaning effortless. The dining space seamlessly converts into an additional relaxation or work area, supported by high-speed satellite internet and wireless charging stations integrated throughout the motorhome. The bedroom section is a sanctuary of comfort, featuring a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, climate control zoning, and noise insulation for uninterrupted rest. A retractable OLED entertainment screen provides cinema-quality visuals, paired with a premium surround sound system tuned specifically for the cabin's acoustics. The ensuite bathroom rivals luxury hotel standards, offering a rainfall shower, heated floors, smart mirrors, and water-efficient technology that maximizes sustainability without reducing comfort. Technology is at the heart of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, with a fully digital cockpit that integrates navigation, vehicle diagnostics, entertainment, and smart home controls into a single intuitive interface. Voice commands powered by AI allow drivers and passengers to control lighting, temperature, media, and route planning effortlessly. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance, 360-degree cameras, and autonomous parking, making this large yet powerful vehicle easy to maneuver in any environment. Energy management is another standout feature, with a high-capacity battery system, solar roof panels, and regenerative braking working together to provide off-grid capability for extended adventures. Whether parked in remote landscapes or cruising through urban destinations, the Ferrari Motorhome ensures continuous power, comfort, and connectivity. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of lifestyle, innovation, and passion for excellence. It represents a future where high-performance engineering and luxury travel coexist in perfect harmony, offering an unmatched experience for elite travelers and automotive enthusiasts alike. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome and want more exclusive auto reviews, futuristic concepts, and luxury vehicle insights, don't forget to subscribe to SM AutoGarage Auto Review, like the video, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads.